Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, you know what? I found some old handycam videos almost 10 to 12 years back. So, video making was always my passion, and I used to record videos even 12 years back. I am so excited to share these videos along with you guys, and I cannot stop myself. I need to share this, and I want to show you how I used to make videos before. I am bringing a blast from the past, so this habit of recording is not new for me. I have been doing this since many years, and I am so excited to bring these videos to you, and they are all traveling videos, so I would love to share them all with you. So guys, I hope you will enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoyed making them. So please excuse the shaky videos and please excuse the little blurriness because it was made by a handycam. So guys, enjoy these videos and I hope you love it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe immediately and even share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to like it. So I was at Panchgani 12 years back, and I was at Basilica Resort at Panchgani, and this is bang on the highway itself, and as soon as you enter the Panchgani town, the second resort itself is Basilica. It's still there and it's a wonderful place to stay, but we don't go here anymore because we love to go to the interiors of Mahabaleshwar and stay at different resorts during different times, so it gives different experiences and you get to experience a new place every time and a new feeling. So that's what we do. So during this time I had gone to Basilica, and the view from this place was amazing, and we had this tableland view and it was so beautiful to watch this, as well as we can just alight from the bus over here or just enter from the road and directly reach our destination, and it was really easy for us when we are traveling early in the morning or if we are traveling by a luxury bus. So this is the Hotel Ravine, which is really famous in Panchgani, and this is Parsi Point, which is very famous for paragliding, and I had even done paragliding over here during that time. So this is the Krishna River and it's a beautiful place, So over here now I have reached the tableland. So now look at this, the tableland was just the same, but during rainy season the tableland looks really different. It looks really green and beautiful. So look at this, our horse guy will give you some information.
टेबललैंड एशिया का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्लेटो कहा जाता है इसको।
अच्छा।
इसकी जो हाइट है ना वो सी लेवल 4378 फीट है। सी लेवल से इतने हाइट के ऊपर नेचुरली ग्राउंड होने के कारण इसको एशिया का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट प्लेटो कहा जाता है। फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट तिब्बत इन लासा में आता है। टेबललैंड जिस पॉइंट का नाम रखा है ना, उसका रीजन है इसको अगर आप लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस से देखेंगे ना, ऑन द टॉप टेबल जैसा जो क्राउड खड़े है ना सब गाड़ी वगैरह, वहाँ से होता है वो ग्लाइडिंग। वो पैराग्लाइडिंग पॉइंट है। अगर आपके पास ऐसा काइट आपको ग्लाइडिंग आती है तो आप जाके कर सकते हैं।
काइट
अगर आपके पास काइट नहीं, आपको ग्लाइडिंग नहीं आती फिर भी करने का है तो आप ग्लाइडिंग चालू है क्लब है, वो उधर ग्लाइडिंग करवाते हैं।
वो वहाँ पे जाने का कैसे?
अभी आप तो टेबललैंड पे आए ना, जहाँ पे चेक पोस्ट है वहाँ से वाई रोड निकलेंगे ना, यहाँ पे आते हैं।
अच्छा, वाई में?
वाई रोड पे,
वाई रोड पे
मेन मार्केट है ना, वहाँ से कम से कम 5-6 किलोमीटर के ऊपर है।
Isn't that amazing? So look at me, I was really amazed at all these beautiful sights. But this was my third visit to Mahabaleshwar. Twice before I had come, but I had not done any recording during that time. So look, there is another ice cream guy over here. I'm sure you'll easily recognize the ice cream guys whenever you see them because I've shown them in my videos. So look at the greenery, the beauty of Panchgani, and there are a lot of monkeys over here, guys, and it's amazing to see them. But if you feed them, they will follow you everywhere and not leave you. So beware.
And the scenery over here is very nice. The trees
So
and
here
all
I
are
had
very
made a
good.
stop to have some strawberry cream, and I went ahead to Sher Bagh.
We are at Sher Bagh. Look at all the shales, all the tigers over here. This is a very beautiful place at Panchgani, and no one should miss this place. Everybody should come here, I think. Look at this water flowing over here. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Such a nice place.
So in Sher Bagh, they have tried to create as much greenery as possible, and they are really successful in doing that because the place looks so beautiful. People from city like us really crave for such beautiful landscape and greenery and amazing flowers, and we love to be in between flowers because we don't get an opportunity in the city to be amongst flowers, and this is a beautiful getaway for people like us. So here I am relaxing. So once you enter into Sher Bagh, you can come out as per your wish, and it's really amazing to be inside, and it's a very huge place and it's so beautiful, and there are various flowers over here, and it's like a trail. You just have to follow a trail over here and you will get to go to different waterfalls and different amazing things kept over there. Nowadays they have even kept some horror house and caves and all that. Now look at me, I am looking so different, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section what difference did you see in me. So these flowers are amazing, and I have never seen such flowers. So this is a very beautiful National Geography kind of a clip over here. And I'm really amazed that I used to make such clips before, and it's such beautiful clarity. It has such good clarity and all the flowers are looking so amazing. So I had gone here during February at that time, February or March, and it was an amazing springtime. That's why all the flowers were in bloom at that time. And this waterfall, we can see it on the main road itself. So there is a road facing it, so we can see the waterfall over there, right while riding on the road.
Senior citizen and young citizen.
So there are various trails, as I said before. We can go up, we can go down. There are various birds kept over here, and we can get a glimpse of them right in the open, and we can just walk amongst them, and that I feel is really beautiful. It gives you a feeling of the wild. But of course these are ducks and amazing turkey and all these different kinds of birds. And there was this Kashmiri shopping center over here.
This is a handicraft store inside Sher Bagh.
There are various clothes with the Kashmiri work done on it, and I really love it. I really love these shawls, embroidered shawls, as well as embroidered salwars and dresses. So I really love to see and shop for all these things, and I think I had bought 1 or 2 dresses for myself. So over there are some sport areas too where you can play some games. So here I am playing basketball because I love to play basketball a lot. It is something which really peps me up, so here I am playing basketball and enjoying myself. I did not realize at all that how the afternoon turned into evening, and I was really happy playing and having a good time over here, guys. It's really mesmerizing to be over here.
Look at the doves here in Sherbagh. They're sitting over here.
There's a place where they have kept many false dinosaurs too, and over here these are bird houses, and I really love it. So there are many doves, as you saw. So a lot of birds come in this area because of the greenery and the flowers. That was a restaurant where we can even eat, so various stuff is available over there. We can relax anywhere because they have kept so many places to sit and relax and even lie down. So it's a very chilled out, relaxing, laid back kind of a place with beautiful flowers around, and it gives you a feeling of a proper hill station like Shimla. Look at this clip, it looks just like Shimla, isn't it? And I am here relaxing. So mentally we become so stress-free around this place that we love roaming around, and we feel like coming back here again and again. So these are all our freedom fighters, guys. So this effect on the staircase where water flows is really beautiful, and it's looking very mesmerizing. So every inch is filled with plants and flowers and greenery everywhere. That's what I like about this place. So in such a place, all you can do is smile and keep on looking at different flowers. So look at these flowers, they are taller than us. These shrubs are so tall that they reach out higher than us. Later that day in the evening, I had gone paragliding. So I tried my hand into this, and it was really an amazing experience. Paragliding is an amazing experience. If you love doing it, you should try it. But if you are scared of heights, it's better not to do it. But at least once in a lifetime, I think we should try something which we did not expect ourselves to do. So I tried it and I was well guided, and they gave me a good guidance, and everything is tied, guys. They tie us up really well, and we don't have to be scared of falling because they tie us up really well. And even one of their persons also accompanies us, so we don't have to be really scared, and it's an amazing, beautiful experience. It feels like we are flying. So now I am at Vena Lake. This is a famous lake at Mahabaleshwar where you come for boating as well as just hanging out. So it's a very huge lake, and it's really beautiful and it's really famous for boating, and many people come here for boating and for a relaxing time. So the water over here is amazing. But we have to be really careful because the water is really deep over here, and whenever we are rowing we should be really careful. So we can even take motor boats too and even rowing boats, so anything is available, as well as we can go in a group too, so whatever is our choice. So now I'm at the Mahabaleshwar shopping market. So everybody wants to buy things to carry back home, isn't it? So this is an ideal place to do that. So there are various artifacts, shoe shops, as well as lot of strawberries, and so you can buy anything which you want and you can carry it back home as a memory of your holiday. So yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it once upon a time when I didn't know even YouTube existed. It was a really passionate video and really made only for myself, but I decided to share it with y'all. Thanks for watching.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.